Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey Saaassss! It is 9 a.m. on a Thursday morning, checked in, and guess where I'm taking you guys? I'm taking you guys with me on my Auckland trip. So stay tuned. I'll be going for the 5 days. So shout out to my cousin Nicole Tusa. Subscribe to her. We'll put the link below. Hey guys! Just having dinner in Mount Wellington in Auckland. And yeah, just with my cousin Mangere, and we'll keep you updated. I haven't been recording much because I was just like hanging out with my cousins and such, but yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Hi! It's so pretty out here. And now we're gonna head home. Gosh, the food was so filling. I'm so full. I'm gonna pop. Morning, Auckland. It's around 9:30 a.m. Just got up, quickly had a shower. Oh my gosh, my eyes so red. Don't know why. Okay, so the plans are today. Oh my gosh, my eyes literally scaring me. I'm gonna be going out for breakfast with my cousin, going around a bit. I'll be stopping by to my grandma's, my dad's mom. I'll be able to see her, and tonight I'll be meeting up with the rest of my first cousins. So all of these guys are my first cousins, my dad's brother's kids. So yeah, stay tuned. It's time to get ready. We're just heading out to eat with my cousin, the other cousin. Yeah, Dr. Rudi's for lunch. Alright, what do we do? The food just arrived and oh my god! Now we at bowling. Let's see what we can do. You can see the pins. Let's try this. Hey guys, so right now we are in Devonport, a part of Auckland, and we're here to check out the views, have a coffee or a beer, and chill out. Now we are going on the boat. Now we're going to be heading to some island, I don't know, don't at me, but we're heading to the boat. Stay tuned. So we are currently on the cruise and we're on our way to Waiheke Island. It's like a 40 minutes, eh? Yeah. 40 minutes to get there. From Devonport Wharf. Check out the view. Just arrived in Waiheke Island. It looks like a part of Tahiti. So we just got to Waiheke Island and we just hopped on the bus. And We are now heading around. We just hopped off the bus. Walk backwards because this lighting is cute. And we are about to eat lunch, dinner vibes.
Outdoor seating. Hi.
Yeah, of course, just come through, have a seat, I'll be with you right away.
Photo time.
Lots of food there.
We'll find out when they give us the
Dinner's here.
Guys, help yourselves. Just pick up my thing. Oh yeah, Faaosofia.
Now we are heading to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
Is this going to the beach?
Yeah, man.
Feels so nice to see.
Insert music. This is my cousin's friend.
Wow.
Hey bro, introduce yourself.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Junior.
Junior. Where are you from, Junior?
I'm from Perth. Oh,
Perth.
local Perth.
One of my cousin's closest friends. Hard out. So now we're heading back to Auckland City, and it is, what time is it? 7? Almost 7 p.m.
Yeah, get on.
Yep. And we are not tired, probably exhausted. Morning, guys. So it is, what's today? Saturday morning. There. Anyways, I'm on my way to a breakfast meeting with Langi, Farani and Liz. So I'll keep you guys in tune. Now we're having a meeting in regards to episode 3 of Sibalaia, my life story. So episode 2 and 3 will be recorded in Auckland, New Zealand. So yeah, I haven't spoke about it like this is the first time I'm speaking about it on this channel, but yeah, I'll update you guys more about it. But for now, I'm just at a traffic light. Just need to give you guys a quick update. I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless. Bye. So I just got here and I am now walking towards the destination. Langi chose well. I love this. Hi guys! Hey! So we're just meeting over the episode that I was talking to you guys about. But yeah, I just wanted to put them in. We'll record our food later. Everyone introduce your guys' names.
Hi, guys. Hi, I'm Langi.
We'll tell you guys more about it. Oh, all good. I love this place.
Yeah, honestly, like
It's so therapeutic.
it's so big.
Hey guys, so I just finished a meeting and I'm just heading back to my cousins. We're all going to go see my grandma, my family. A little bit about our meetup. It's more so discussing a Sibalaia, my life story, episode 3. So far I've only planned episode 1, 2 and 3. So my collab with Langi, I'm going to be dancing with her, and Liz, it's more so she's taking over our outfits. So the awfuls we're gonna be wearing, our hair, makeup, she'll be in control of that. So it's really cool. I love collabing with people who do the same thing, as in like love to bring the ideas together and help out. So it's really fun. That was the whole point of this trip as well, meeting with them, as well as episode 2 that I'll be shooting tomorrow, Sunday. So that will be a faux project. So I'm excited for this to come together. God is good, and I'm grateful that I get to have fun with this talent, you get me? So yeah, stay tuned. And I can't wait to show you my family.
This drop, I know they gon' lean. Word they Palm Springs, girls from Brunei
Oh, but the theme is white. I don't have anything white. Has say stop. The vlog. Oh, guys, so shy. Hey guys, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. After we ate at the Mangere town centre, we then went to Sylvia Park shopping centre. Like, I was just so tired and I was just eating everything. Then we came home having a little nap, and we just woke up, and it's like what, around 7 p.m. right now. Me and my cousin just getting together, well, actually getting ready, and we're gonna be seeing Vino tonight. I think JM's performance tonight in High Point, I think. But yeah, we'll be going. I love watching singers, especially the ones that you like dance to, like the songs, the Saaassss songs. But yeah, it'll be fun tonight. It's an all white event, so I didn't bring all white. Anyways, but yeah, stay tuned. How cute is my cousin? She comes back from shopping, buys me these side bags, and goes, "Cuz, I got your shoes too." It's like, really? It's so cute.
Early the next morning.